Listen, the world will doubt you before it ever believes in you. They'll look at your body and say, "You can't do it." But the real fight isn't against them. It's against the voice inside your head that whispers, "Stop." Every drop of sweat, every sore muscle, every early morning and late night, they're all proof that you're building something no one can take from you. Being a bodybuilder isn't just about lifting weights. It's about lifting yourself every single day. When your arms tremble, when your legs burn, when your heart says enough, that's when you grow. Pain is not your enemy, it's your teacher. You're not chasing perfection, you're chasing progress. One rep at a time, one meal at a time, one heartbeat at a time. The mirror doesn't lie, but it also doesn't tell the full story, because what it can't show is your courage, your consistency, your refusal to quit. So stand tall, tighten your fists, and remember, the body you dream of is already inside you. You just have to fight to bring it out.